Hi, in this next episode, we're going to talk about the head command. The head command can be used with files or even any kind of output, and what it does is it displays the first 10 lines of an output or a file. Now, if you want to display a different number outside of that default 10, you can also use the option head minus n to show the first specific number of lines. So you can say head minus 3 to see the top 3 lines of a file or some output. You can even output the first specified number of bytes using head minus c. And of course, this works on multiple files as well, just outputting the head command. There are other options as well. So of course, head does come with the minus help option in order for you to really understand the syntax and the different options and how you can modify the command behavior. In this upcoming lab, we're going to show you how to use the head command to display the beginning of a file or your output. Please stay tuned. In this episode, we're going to be talking about the head command. The head command is a useful command to be able to read the first few lines of a file. Think of files which are very long, or even output which is maybe very long, more than the number of records you want to look at. Let's say you're reading the output of the largest countries by landmass, but you just want to see the first 5, top 10, whatever it is. So you can use a head command by typing head, followed by a file name to see only the first 10 lines. So let's pull up a file. Let's call etc followed by some file name. To see the first 10 lines, let's say it's the passwd file. This file has a lot of lines, but I am just wanting to see the first 10 lines of a file, like so. Now I can actually change that and just say head and put a minus n character, which is a number, minus n, to identify what number I want to see, how many top lines I want to see. So in this case, it's going to be top 3. We can see the top 3 lines over here. So this can help when it comes to processing files or seeing what's inside files. And it also works with output, of course. If there's a lot of output and you can pipe the output to a head command to only see the top few records of the output or of a line. I hope you've learned something. Thank you for watching this episode, and I'll see you in the next one.